Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, shut off the water and drain the toilet, then unbolt and lift it away onto a pad so you have clear access. Next, expose the cast iron hub and cut it out carefully using an angle grinder or reciprocating saw with a carbide wheel. Make the cut vertical and controlled. This prevents damage to the soil pipe. Once done, clean the mating surface and measure flange height. The new flange must sit about 1/4 to 1/2 inch above your finished floor. Now continue by dry fitting the adapter that transitions from cast iron to your new flange material, PVC, or a rubber Fernco connector. Align the flange so the bolts face the toilet entry and check level with a small level. Get it centered. Then apply the correct joint method. Solvent weld for PVC, silicone and clamp for rubber, or a stainless band clamp for irregular cuts. Make sure the flange sits the specified distance above the floor. Finish by installing a new wax ring or wax-free seal on the flange, then lower the toilet straight down onto the bolts. You must press firmly and tighten nuts evenly in a cross pattern to avoid cracking. Reconnect the water, fill the tank, and flush multiple times while you watch for leaks at the base and where the adapter meets cast iron. If you see leakage, turn off water, tighten bolts a bit, or reseat the seal. If that fails, replace the adapter or consult a plumber, and note the exact leak location.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.